Metal-cased lip seals are used in thousands of rotating applications to retain lubricants and keep contaminants out. But not all seal profiles are designed for the same operating conditions. In this video, we'll cover the basics of metal-cased lip seals, explaining 4 common profiles, and show how fully custom seal designs can improve sealing performance in demanding applications. A metal-cased lip seal is a rotary seal designed to retain lubricants around rotating shafts while excluding contaminants like dirt, water, and dust. These seals are commonly used in pumps, gearboxes, electric motors, agricultural equipment, industrial machinery, and heavy rotating equipment. The metal case provides rigidity and retention in the housing, while the sealing lip maintains contact with the shaft surface. The thin lubricant film works to reduce friction and heat on the shaft, while the exclusionary lip prevents contaminants from entering. The metal case is designed to give the seal structure and rigidity. Although metal-cased lip seals have a higher price point than elastomeric seals, they are typically much longer lasting due to their superior durability, making for less frequent seal replacement. The most common metal-cased lip seal profile is the single lip seal. At Gallagher Fluid Seals, this model is the 450 series. The design includes one unidirectional sealing lip with a maximum PSI of 250. Single lip seals are used in a wide variety of applications where retaining lubricant is the primary concern. Double lip seals add a secondary exclusionary lip designed to keep contaminants out of the system. This model is referred to as the 460 series at GFS. This series is commonly used in harsher environments where water, dust, or debris may cause damage to bearings or contaminate lubricants. Gallagher's 456 double lip seal contains 2 unidirectional lips, which provide additional seal life for critical sealing applications. For more severe operating environments, Gallagher's Series 466 offers a triple bidirectional seal, featuring 2 standard lips and a wiper. This is designed for the harshest environments, excluding outer contaminants while retaining internal lubricant and fluid. Systems that use metal-cased lip seals can vary from application to application, meaning oftentimes a custom-fit seal is needed. At Gallagher Fluid Seals, we manufacture metal-cased lip seals in-house in the United States and can produce fully custom seal profiles tailored to your application requirements. That includes custom geometries and materials, non-standard sizes, special lip configurations, and application-specific designs. Our on-staff engineering team can help you retrofit replacement seals for an existing system or design a completely new sealing solution, engineered to match your exact operating conditions. We also offer custom engraving capabilities directly on the metal case to reinforce your brand as the primary point of contact for reorders. Because our engineering and manufacturing is performed in-house, Gallagher Fluid Seals can provide fast prototype turnaround, responsive engineering support, and flexible production capabilities for both standard and custom metal-cased lip seals. If you're dealing with frequent seal failures, metal-cased lip seals may be the step up in durability that your application needs. Choosing the right profile and material can dramatically impact your seal's reliability and lifespan. For help designing your custom seal and to learn more about our custom seal solutions, visit GallagherSeals.com or contact our engineering team today.